Company that offers DNA testing in Jamaica has disclosed that in 70% of their tests, the men who were named as fathers has nothing to do with the paternity of their
Nobody check
children.
the store, Patrick. Nobody check the tailor. If you want a nice fitted jacket, do a DNA test at Jamaica. I know me, say so. The Star reported. DNA testing revealed a 70% jacket. You can't imagine a little youth get attached to a man as him dada. Only for hear like him the Mari show. When it comes on to 2-year-old Palico, Patrick, you are not the father. And what could have caused this though, lad? It really look bad. Ladies, which wanna put the integrity wanna post to have? If a no move so wacky and I play the game so hard, wanna never just protect on yourself? Have mercy, Lord. That's why the man them can't trust you know. Bexel for the one Bex come here talk the truth. Mommy, who are my father? You not answer the youth. On see your life unfair though. Eh? On see your life unfortunate. For some man that even look on the righty pitney, but turn on a mind jacket. Nowadays if a woman have more than one sexual partner, and she not sure what to be a father, pick 3, pick 5 all bonus balls, she pick anything she under. This bigger than Lotto Patrick. Sorry for your circumstance. But her name end up in a one big rotted lotto. And if you don't have a jacket, Patrick, you don't stand a chance. Me know say the situation different. Me not judge no one. But have mercy, my sisters. We not go along too bad, man. This is a sorrow for the innocent pitney them. Yeah, this very dysfunctional. Finna show why your papa. This very emotional. Them things that affect trust. Yeah, it break family bonds. I mean, if you can't use protection, stop from having so much mons. Alright. I know some of them deserve it, cause they treat you no bad. So if you give the bugger them a life jacket, was the only revenge you no have. But vengeance belong to the Lord. You're too out of order. How you da feel as a big woman if you still don't know your father? Well, children, don't feel bad if you're a jacket. For at least them bring you come, cause many didn't make it. Your mother might get confusion and don't know who your father be. But you're not fatherless. You have Father God Almighty. Men, wanna feel justified, no? Come and show up the promiscuous woman. But if some of you men could have children, it'd be a more devastating situation. For the fact that the child could be yours, means say you promiscuous too, and you never use protection. For every other possible suspect of who the father could be, rule out the possibility of a woman. 70% a jacket means 70% of no rubbers pan it.
Let the games begin.
Patrick, you're a lucky man. Cause you didn't have to get a jacket, you could have get a deadly infection. For if you never did promiscuous, you couldn't be a part of this mess. So if you don't want a man give you a jacket, why not wear a vest? If you know no girl no give you a jacket and you know your baby father, follow me at Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at Zandramah.